This patient, let's call him Tomen Baratheon. Both ears are blocked. One has raging tinnitus. Let's see what's going on inside. Oil cleared. First contact now. Up, down, and there we finally get attachment. Look at that keratin ribbon just keeps going. Still attached. This isn't releasing easily at all. It's really stuck. And there we go. That's the movement I've been waiting for. Look at that dark plug shifting. Wow. Fine tip now for the remaining soft section, which has the potential to be really noisy. Done. Beautiful eardrum underneath. A little residue can safely stay where it is. Now the tinnitus ear. This is the one I've really been waiting to see. At first glance, it actually looks very similar to the first ear. Then attachment. And yes, immediate grip. A huge section coming away with a keratin train attached to the end. But don't be fooled, we're definitely not finished yet. Working the Zollner towards the edge now, trying to peel this away rather than pull it. Some keratin disappears into the tube and suddenly here it comes. And the best part, the tinnitus and blocked sensation immediately disappear for Tomen. Deep blockage, instant relief. See you in the next one. Next time, a polyp.